What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another throwback video, man. Like I say, and I keep telling you guys, a lot of content coming soon. I know you guys just seen that Infinity on the street, that red Infinity. That video is coming very soon. But let's go ahead and get into today's video. This 2000 Saturn. Now, a lot of you guys may look down on the Saturn, man, but I'm gonna just tell you guys something. The last like 3 Saturns I had, all been good, man. This one was my favorite one. I like this car, man. I love this car, man. I made a lot of money in this car, driving from auction to auction. It was a 2000 that had 186 on it. Nothing fantastic about it, but I'm gonna tell you guys what I paid for it. I paid $365, and I just got that number because it's 365 days in a year, so that's what I had bidded on the car, and I won it. It had girl seat covers and everything. I did not care. I didn't take them off. I didn't do nothing, man. I know you guys be like probably gonna get on me about that, but I didn't do nothing to this car. When I bought this car for $365, guys, I got in it and I drove it for months. And when I say months, guys, I drove this car for months. And I sold it for $700. And I'm sorry I lied to you guys. I said 186. It had 189 on it. But like I say, I drove this car for months. I paid $365 for this car, and I drove the wheels off this bad boy. I ended up selling it for $700, which the reason I'm about to show you guys right now. I live in an emissions state. And the reason why I drove this car so long is because I had a little Honda. As you can see, I had the Infinity. I wasn't about to drive that every day because of gas. You got to put premium in it, but I wasn't going to drive that. So this car had the AC working. My little Honda that I had at the time, the AC stopped working, my little 4-cylinder. So I ended up parking that somewhere, driving this, and I drove it for months. And when it got cold again outside, I sold it. So this is the video of me, basically getting ready to sell the car because, I didn't need it no more. But for $700, man, I paid $365. By me paying $365, I should have just kept this car, man, honestly. But I'm gonna just show you guys why it wouldn't pass emissions. I live in an emission state, and it had just a regular little evap code, but the monitors wouldn't get ready on this car at all. Like, the monitors wouldn't get ready, which is I'm about to show right here. So as you can see, the CAT, the O2, and the EGR, they would not get ready. Excuse my ashy hands, but they would not get ready, guys. Like, I drove this car for months and the monitors would not get ready. So this car just wouldn't pass emissions. So that's why I sold it $700 to somebody who didn't have emissions in their county. And I just got rid of it because it was getting cold. I could drive my the Honda that I had been driving for the longest. I got back in that. As you can see, I had the hood on in this video. So it was getting cold. I didn't need it no more. But this car, man, I wish I would have just kept this car. I probably would still have it right now. You know what I'm saying? And if the motor went out, so what? I only paid $365. Junkie could get most of my money back. I should have kept this car. But again, thank you guys for watching my videos, man. I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I would greatly appreciate it. Hit that notification bell because I will be taking you guys to the auction with me. You guys will be following my journey, man. I'll catch you guys on the next. Peace.